let's count down our top 5 trading platforms that have become favorites among modern day traders. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at
number 5
is Interactive Brokers, or TWS, Traders Workstation. Now, having an account with Interactive Brokers for a while now, they particularly cater to international traders. So that's traders beyond the confines of the USA. Interestingly, they're also publicly traded on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol IBKR. So they do have an impressive revenue of $6.2 billion as of the time of this recording. But when it comes to the TWS Traders Workstation, it does offer advanced capabilities, so like multi-leg orders. However, speaking from experience, the desktop version of the Trader Workstation does come across as a bit clunky or cumbersome. The user interface gives off a vibe from like the 80s, as if it could definitely benefit from a modern day refresh or update. This is why it comes in at number 5 and why I tend to lean towards using the mobile version more, which not only eliminates the needs for aspirin because of the clunky interface, but it also conveniently encompasses all essential features for both day traders and swing traders as well.
Number 4
is MetaTrader 5, or MT5. And in recent years, this desktop platform has gained substantial popularity, especially for my own personal use. It's a platform I trust to execute my automated trading bots. And in the realm of bot trading, countless options do exist for bot platforms, but this particular platform stands out as my favorite, my top choice for specifically bot trading. Now, while the charting may be a little lean, it may be a little simplistic, it does maintain some very practical edge. So notably, it does have both a web-based version, so a web trader designed for just straightforward order entry. And in a moment, we'll dive into a more superior charting tool. But rest assured, this platform is widely embraced by both Forex traders and prop or proprietary firm traders. And it serves the needs of both day traders and swing traders as well. Also, the platform, it does provide a mobile app which allows me to check on my bot trades without actually disrupting the configuration of the bot in the setup themselves. This video is proudly brought to you by the Real Life Trading Funded Account Program. Are you a skilled trader looking to amplify your trading income with extra capital that we provide? Explore the opportunities at reallifetrading.com/funding to learn more.
Number 3,
which is Tastytrade. If you're an experienced options trader, you are familiar with Tastytrade. And it is tailor-made just for you as option traders. So it was created in 2011 by the renowned Tom Sosnoff, and this platform caters specifically to options traders and offers a remarkably user-friendly interface for setting up complex options trades with those multiple leg orders. Now, interestingly, both myself and Jeremy Newsom have had the privilege of visiting the Tastytrade offices just outside Chicago a few years ago, back in 2018. And Tastytrade also comes equipped with a convenient mobile app and is equally effective for both day trading and swing trading, not just options, but also stocks as well.
Number 2
is Thinkorswim. It is an incredibly comprehensive desktop platform which boasts commendable charting capabilities and intricate advanced order entry features. Now, notably, I've even discovered how to leverage Excel so that I can copy and paste my orders from Excel directly into Thinkorswim, which is a feat possible with only a handful of platforms. And in 2009, TD Ameritrade acquired Thinkorswim for an eye-popping $600 million, solidifying its significance in the trading arena. Now, while the platform does present a slightly steeper learning curve, particularly for those who aren't acquainted with sophisticated order types that trigger actions based on execution of other orders. The offerings it does allow are substantial, and it does provide real-time rates, options trading functionalities, and a whole array of other tools within the desktop version. Currently under TD Ameritrade's ownership, a company that was itself acquired by Charles Schwab in late 2020, the platform's future trajectory remains uncertain. Nevertheless, as of right now, they provide a trio of choices. They have a web-based version, a desktop downloadable version, and a user-friendly mobile app as well. And it is noteworthy that Thinkorswim serves effectively for both day trading and swing trading alike.
Number one
is none other than TradingView. TradingView stands as an exceptional web-based charting tool that has garnered immense favor within the real-life trading community. Its primary role lies in the meticulous trade planning and advanced charting functionalities. That is what really sets TradingView apart, as well as its robust suite of web-based features, which seamlessly integrate for day traders and swing traders both. And it does have integration with a selection of popular brokers. So unlike the other platforms that offer charting and order entry, this is a well-built charting tool that also allows integration with brokers. And it does take it a step further by not just providing charting, but it provides integration directly with some of those brokers. So it unlocks a realm of customization functionality, and TradingView empowers users to construct custom trading strategies, and you can develop personalized indicators. And it does have an extensive array of community-built indicators, some of which I've built with Pine, is the programming language Pine, and those even support automated back testing strategies. So TradingView shines bright for both day traders and swing traders alike. Let me know in the comments below which platform is your favorite, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you can be updated with more future content like this.